there is power.
टॉर्चर किसने किया है?
The evidence that they fabricated and implicated me in the same, it is no less than the worst torture in the world. Staying for almost 45 days in incarceration wrongfully, unlawfully, that causes my parents to almost lose their lives and face a nervous breakdown. I'm still living in terror. That what if this happens again? This is torture. So torture.
How many police officers kidnapped you?
So they, in the remand report, and there was a team of more than around 10 to 15 police officials, but they were low-ranking officials there who actually kidnapped me. They were definitely they were just doing their jobs. I believe, what I feel, they were even sympathetic to us because an innocent family and highly educated family being trapped, into unlawful
Police
things.
officer's name, please.
Do you have the names of the police officers? The lower ranking officials who were there, I don't believe that they had the authority to take decisions on their own. They were definitely under strict orders of the higher ranking officials, which are obviously the IPSs.
Names, please.
The then commissioner was, obviously everybody knows, Mr. Kanti Rana. And yeah, these lower ranking ones were only doing their jobs. They were instructed to do it. And this, by the level of manipulation, I am sure intelligence is also involved in this, because look at the level,
Have you revealed to the judge?
How can you prove that AP police put a wrong case on you?
Yes. So I will be submitting evidence that the document that they arrested me on the basis of, that has a stamp, a Bombay stamp, which I inquired from the stamp office in Bombay. The stamp shows a date of 2018, but I inquired that the stamp was purchased in November 23 from Kalyan. So the stamp is purchased in November 23, showing from the number, but it is stamped as 2018. So obviously it is forged, and it is purchased from Kalyan, sold to a vendor in Dombivali, has my signature, which is not my signature, absolutely not my signature, has an address, my current address, which I purchased, the flat I purchased in 2020 January, and the stamp is stamped as 2018 November. 2018 I was not even in Bombay, I was living in Ahmedabad. I had an Aadhaar card living in Ahmedabad. Then this paper doesn't have any notarization. It doesn't have, the stamp doesn't have percentage value of the property in question. It's a totally fabricated thing that this man has done it.
Schedule also not.
Schedule. Yeah, as my counsel better knows than me. And this man has alleged about my Aadhaar card discrepancies. He has only forged the birthdays. And this property in question on the paper, on the alleged document, it is mortgaged. So if we talk about the legal point of view, there are so many fallacies, there are so many
Disturbances.
like inaccuracies, loopholes, disturbances in the document that I don't know how the police accepted it in the first place. They should have arrested him on receiving that document itself.
Vidyasagar has alleged that you target industrialists and extort money from.
Let me get to that. Okay, I target any honest citizen of the country would never want their name embroiled in all this controversy. I mean, who wants their name splashed across newspapers? There's a case against their parents, this, that. But I was dragged into this without my consent, illegally, unlawfully. It is said, bad people will do whatever they do. They are going to do it. But I have full faith in God, and there are good people in the country, good people with integrity, who will not let the innocent suffer this way, whatever the bad people may do.